Setting up a Modern Warfare 3 dedicated server and got a DSR configuration file. This stores server setup recipes for the popular shooter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Modern Warfare 3 dedicated server recipe files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your DSR, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. DSR Files are dedicated server recipe files used by Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 to configure dedicated multiplayer servers. They store server settings, game mode rules, map rotations, player limits, and rule parameters, enabling server administrators to deploy consistent server configurations for online multiplayer gameplay. DSR server recipe files use a text-based format storing server configuration parameters, including game mode identifiers, map rotation lists, score limits, time limits, and gameplay rule settings. The format follows MW3 server configuration conventions, allowing administrators to define and share complete server setups. For comprehensive file management, DSR relies on Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare developed by Activision. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows cannot open game archives or pack files natively, so specialized utilities are needed. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the DSR file and choose Open With. Use Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If your DSR file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, loading in MW3 dedicated server. Place the DSR file in the Modern Warfare 3 dedicated server's recipe directory. Launch the dedicated server tool and select the DSR recipe through the server configuration interface. The server applies the recipe settings starting the multiplayer environment with the defined gameplay rules. Next, editing server settings. Open the DSR file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to review and edit server configuration. Modify game mode settings, map rotations, and gameplay parameters as needed. Save changes and reload the recipe in the dedicated server tool to apply updated configuration to the running server. Finally, sharing server recipes. Distribute DSR files to other server administrators or community members for consistent server configurations across multiple installations. Recipes ensure identical gameplay rules and server behavior, simplifying community organization of multiplayer game environments with standardized rule sets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.